The last section here is additional information and full hypothesis test examples. And this section has, in your textbook, has way more examples than I'm going to go over, so feel free to peruse your textbook for more examples and solutions. So in a hypothesis test problem, you may see words such as the level of significance is 1%, or the 1% is a preconceived or preset alpha. The statistician setting up the hypothesis test selects the value of alpha to use before collecting the sample data. If there's no level of significance given, then a common standard to use is alpha equals 0.05. When you calculate the p-value and draw the picture, remember that the p-value is the area in the left tail, the right tail, or it's split evenly between the two tails. So for this reason, that's why we call it the hypothesis test left, right, or two-tailed. The alternative hypothesis tells you if the test is left, right, or two-tailed. It's the key to conducting the appropriate test. Okay, that's the alternative hypothesis. Remember that the alternative hypothesis never has a symbol that contains an equal sign. That's very important, and we've discussed that several times. Thinking about the meaning of the p-value. So a data analyst, or anyone else, it could be us, should have more confidence that he made the correct decision to reject the null hypothesis with a smaller p-value, for example 0.001, as to 0.04. even if using the 0.05 level for alpha. Similarly, for a large p-value such as 0.4 as opposed to a p-value of 0.056, the alpha is less than either of those numbers, a data analyst should have more confidence that he or she made the correct decision in not rejecting the null hypothesis. This makes the data analyst use judgment rather than mindlessly applying rules. So in the next video, we're going to go over some full hypothesis examples.